Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're comparing two fantastic budget mirrorless cameras, Sony A6700 versus Canon EOS R50. Sony A6700, design, compact, lightweight, and sleek design. Sensor, 26.0 megapixel APS-C sensor for detailed and vibrant photos. Video, 4K video recording at 60 FPS, excellent for vlogs and content creation. Autofocus features real-time IAF and 4D focus for precise fast focusing. Battery, impressive battery life, lasts through longer shoots. Canon EOS R50, design, slightly more compact and ergonomic with a simple layout. Sensor, 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering high-quality images. Video, 4K video recording at 30 FPS, great for creators but lacks the A6700's higher frame rate. Autofocus, Dual Pixel AF for smooth and fast focusing. Battery, decent battery life, good for most photo sessions. Which one to choose? If you're looking for faster autofocus, 4K at 60 FPS, and slightly better overall performance, go with the Sony A6700. If you prefer a compact design, easy usability, and great photo quality at a more affordable price, Canon EOS R50 is a solid choice. That's it for today's comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.